Hello everyone, let's start our presentation.
Business Initiation Practice ProvedIn. ProvedIn is an online platform for providing information about seminars, workshops, and any educational events to build two-sided communication between speakers and participants. ProvedIn is a platform that provides training information on expertise and abilities that someone already has or doesn't have seminars and workshops. Inside there is information about prices, benefits that can be obtained, and seminar schedules, as well as training provided. Ordering tickets for trainings, seminars, and workshops will easily be done on this platform. To make it easier to get a seminar that is permitted, this platform will be equipped with features and will direct someone to answer a number of questions about their interests and goals in attending the seminar. After answering, our platform will feature some training seminars, workshops that will be held according to their needs. We also provide information and contact several experts in certain fields to make it easier for users to ask questions about expertise in certain fields. There are two types of business model from ProvedIn. The first is B2B. For B2B, we earn sharing profit 10% from workshop or seminar event organizer, and we provide online and offline seminar info from event organizer. The second types of business model is business to customer. We having two types of services such as membership and non-membership, and the second is advertisement. And this is our business model canvas.
Online initiation. ProvedIn sells product using the website at www.provestripin.com. We plan to launch our website on September 2020. We also post event information that will take place on our social media, namely Instagram, Facebook, and Line Official. ProvedIn first launched and introducing the product on Instagram account on February 5, 2020. Our first ferry event was seminar from home with theme Pandemic COVID-19, Siapkah Tenaga Medis Kita? Was held on April 18, 2020. We post the poster on Instagram account a week before the seminar will held. Until July 2020, we held 6 online seminars and 3 of them we collaborated with Guting Smaini. From that collaboration, we got profit with total around 2 million rupiah and we agreed to donate this fund to Bandung Bergerak. Social media. ProvedIn has several social media, namely Instagram at prove.in, Facebook ProveSpaceIn, Line Official ProvedIn. We try to build content on Instagram for publication to get attraction from new Instagram users. Our type of posts are information about event, workshop, and interesting topics that are related to education to increase user insight and knowledge. We schedule to post content 3 times a week, and we try to post content in weekday and weekend around 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. during lunchtime and 7 p.m. until 9 p.m. after work time. For the last 5 months, ProvedIn Instagram account had 132 followers and post 33 content. We already made Facebook and Line official account on May 2020, but we plan to active on August 2020.
ProvedIn, as a startup with technology base, has to build and develop a website. We need to give the best service for all customers. Not only provide great user experience, but also give an easy method to having payment. We choose domain and term selectively for the best result. In the beginning of having a website, we use www.prove_in.com. We choose Tosca color palette to fulfill our website. It's important to choose a great color palette. Besides, to satisfy our customer, it's used for startup branding. We also provide concise information and make a simple and understandable feature to simplify our customer when accessing the website. Start from open the website until having order. We need to give the best UI UX design experience for all customers.
And this is our funneling. We start sprint for 2 weeks from 14 June until 27 June 2020. We use IDA metrics for Instagram channel. The awareness is we increase 50 followers on Instagram. The interest is 85 likes and 57 shares from 5 posts on Instagram. We receive 111 Google Form fulfilled and 5 direct message. And the action of 111 participants attend our event, collaborate with Good Things Miami. And the retention is they attend business webinar series in the last 2 weeks. Participants in Seminar 1, TI 85 in Series 2, and 73 in Series 3.
Company achievement. During the COVID-19, we shall keep moving to maintain our company. To keep improving and gain a wider market, we choose to hold some online event through media. By now, ProvedIn has organized 5 different seminars. First, on Saturday 18 April 2020, pandemi Corona COVID-19, siapkah tenaga medis kita? Second, on Saturday 26 April 2020, pengenalan investasi dan perencanaan keuangan. Third, on Saturday 20 June 2020, kuliah sambil berbisnis, kenapa enggak? Fourth, on Sunday 21st June 2020, start business from zero. Fifth, on Saturday 27, ProvedIn have made social media account through 3 platforms. They are Instagram, official account line, and Facebook. On Instagram, we name it at ProvedIn. Since first launch on Instagram on February 5th, 2020, we have been going with 132 followers and 33 posts. For the official account line, named ProvedIn, that was just created in the past 5 weeks, we only get less than 5 followers. On Facebook, we have not maximized its usage. We just posted a story because the story of our Instagram account is linked to the story on the Facebook account. For financial source, total outcome from the beginning until having a new website term is Rp737,900. For the detail, you can see from this table. And for income, we get Rp2,545,000. This number is gained from total donation in our last seminar session. So, after calculate the total income and outcome, we get Rp1,807,100 for our profit.
Offline initiation. One of the best way to get new customer for startup is via offline marketing. We pick Indonesia as our target market, but we will start to marketing our product to Bandung area and then another city in Indonesia. We will provide many seminars, talk show, training, and other educational activities in college, school, and other small groups. We plan to participating in Expo Booth. Expo Booth is a reliable platform for growing our businesses. We plan to make a booth at University Expo around Bandung, Expo in Graha Manggala, Bandung, and etc. We used to expand our marketing through banners, brochure, sticker, and business card. And ProvedIn want to make offline seminar with some great and famous speakers such as Arif Muhammad, Putri Tanjung, etc. The seminar will held on Bandung and hope it can held on next year after this pandemic situation was gone.
Hello, we are ProvedIn team want to congratulate our wonderful campus on the first century each year. Happy 100th birthday for ITB. We hope this campus will be everlasting and become a great campus for all students as always. Salam Ganesha, mulai. Salam Ganesha, bakti kami untukmu, Tuhan, bangsa, dan alma mater. Merdeka, merdeka, merdeka.